This is a brief overview of Module 3, Conducting Deeper Research. In this module, you will dive deeper into both the library and how to evaluate your sources. You'll notice that there are several activities, including some very important reading that gives you a background on different kinds of resources and how to evaluate them through the CRAP test, which has certain criteria which you will use when you complete your assignment 3-4, annotating your sources. In this annotating your sources, you will find 3 sources from the library that are relevant to your paper. One of those sources should be a counter-argument. So you'll go to the database, choose your sources. You'll have run through the CRAP test, and there is a copy of it here that evaluates your sources on currency, reliability, authority, and the rest of the criteria. So when we get to this, you're asked to answer these questions for each of your 3 sources. And it has these kind of fill in the blanks. You don't necessarily have to use these exact sentences, although it can be very helpful. What is important is that you summarize that you identify your source with the author, the title, and the database information, that you summarize your source, basically tell us what it's about, describe it, give us a little summary, explain the rationale for credibility. That goes back to that CRAP test. Why do you believe this source is credible? And finally, explain the relevance of this source to your argument. So there's just 4 criteria, and you'll see that on the rubric, that you must record, you must write for each of the 3 sources. When you're completed that, then you will also go and complete the writing plan. Now, the writing plan is almost identical to the writing notes. It's asking you to look a little deeper, dig, consider if your answers for the writing notes is full or is complete, or if there are areas to be strengthened. You'll find them in your notes on the writing notes that I will give to you. And so it's asking again, what is the argument? What are the 3 points? Who are the audience? What is a goal? List the resources. And now you've done your research, so list 3 potential resources. Align the key points to the resource. So key point 1 is supported by my source that I found in the journal of so-and-so. And then based on the argument, what points will you integrate evidence? Where are you going to put the research? And this is filled out the plan with 2 additional questions, which is describe your revision strategy. And a revision strategy shouldn't just be feedback, because notice what the next question is. How does feedback influence you? So there's many revision strategies, such as reading backwards, chunking it into different pieces, making notes on the paper, writing it and walking away for a day. So tell us how your revision strategy works. Tell us how feedback influences your progress, and then submit the assignment into the classroom. So that's it. That's a quick overview of week 3. If you have any questions, please contact your instructor. Thank you.